Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can sign the contract, the player that you want for your club or for your squad. You can sign some amazing and powerful talent in eFootball 2024. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the objective or mission, so you can get ton of rewards from this game. So let's get started. If you need a new player, for example, I need new goalkeeper, you can do it in this game. Let's get back to home page. And this one, contract, tap. And as you can see, there are a lot of option here. Some option here like standard player list, standard player tickets, pack, and special player list. And try to tap this one, so you can do it by player with your GP here. For example, this one, make sure you have enough GP to sign player. And also you can sign player using a ticket. If you got the ticket like 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, you can exchange it in this feature. And also this pack, you need to use the eFootball coins. Make sure you have enough coin. And the last one is special player list, also using a eFootball coins to sign your favorite player. So don't hesitate. If you have the coin or the GP, please sign powerful talent to your squad. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click text button below. Enjoy the game.